I think 2026 is going to reward a very different type of entrepreneur, not the one who necessarily works the hardest, but the one who builds the smartest systems. Inside our company, ScaleSmart Media, we've spent the last year, really reinventing the way that we operate, not by hustling more, but by completely rethinking our entire infrastructure. It's a lot. And today I want to share exactly what we changed and why we changed it, and the systems that we're building to grow faster with less chaos into next year. So the industry is shifting. There's more noise, there are more tools, more competition, and ironically, less clarity, which is not a good thing. What's working now is not necessarily just brute force, it's all about systems. So as we looked ahead to 2026, we realized something really important in our company. If we didn't re-architect the way that we run our business, we would hit a ceiling. And not because of demand, but because of complexity. So we decided to rebuild our infrastructure from the inside out. For years, we were like most companies, juggling multiple platforms. You can probably relate, multiple tools, multiple spreadsheets, right? Messages, apps. There's a lot that goes into running a seven-figure business. But as we grew, that fragmentation and segmentation really started slowing us down. So clients sometimes didn't know where to go. Team members had inconsistent information, and we couldn't see the full client journey in one singular place. So in 2025, we made a major decision that we were going to consolidate everything into one unified ecosystem. And the tool that we chose really actually as the foundation for that consolidation is the one that we use to manage onboarding now, clients, communication, and automation. If you're interested to know which it is, we use Go High Level. So hard work is important, but it is not scalable. Smart systems are, which is why we spent so much time focusing on this in 2026. And it wasn't always easy. What we discovered is that when you build systems that work for you, instead of relying on human memory, just your brain, everything gets easier. So clients are able to move faster, team members are less stressed, you reduce mistakes, and you free up creativity. I'm not saying that there are never any mistakes, but we make less of them now than we did before. And the right system does something even better than that. It brings you consistency. So that's why we shifted to an all-in-one platform, not for, well, I mean, features, yes, but more so for integration. We needed one place where everything talks to everything, that everything is talking to each other. So the very first system that we looked at was system number one, which is onboarding and the client experience, which obviously is really important. We realized that onboarding was where clients either accelerate or they get overwhelmed. So we rebuilt our entire onboarding flow, not just welcome emails, which of course we looked at, but not just that. We looked at the entire technical onboarding and the human support behind it. So this is where we have two types of onboarding: elite, which is done with you, and premium, which is done for you. These two levels were born out of that observation. The second system was internal team communication and accountability. So our team needed one communication hub, not five. They needed clarity on tasks, on deadlines, on workflows, and automated reminders that reduce that human workload. The third system we looked at was predictable client flow. So important. For years, client flow depended on us showing up consistently and constantly. In 2026, though, the predictable client flow that we're have now and that we're installing is being rebuilt as a whole entire system, not necessarily as just a guessing game. Authority content, automation, engagement scoring, super important, lead nurturing, all inside one place. So we're really super happy about this. Is where this CRM that we're using, Go High Level, became essential because it allowed us to put our entire client journey all under one roof. So for us, choosing that tool wasn't just about loving the software, it was about wanting clarity, speed, and simplicity as well. So we knew as we analyzed where we were that we needed to have one CRM, one communication hub, one onboarding system, one automated engine, one place for clients to live. And it's still a work in progress, right? Moving things over from other platforms into this one place, especially the where the clients live right now is still a work in progress, but we're making so much headway. And now we really have a foundation to be able to bring everything under one roof. So the biggest lesson that we learned this year is really simple. Chaos does not scale, but systems do. 2026 is the year of intentional infrastructure. And if you don't build it now, you're going to feel it later. For us, moving to a unified system was the smartest decision that we made. And if you want to explore the tool that we chose to power our entire operation, you can check it out in the link below this video. So cheers to you. Here, I have a cup of coffee here. Here, cheers to you. Here's to running smarter, not harder, and stepping into the what I like to call the integrity era of entrepreneurship. We do that with clarity. We do that with alignment. We do that with systems that support the CEO version of you. I'll see you in the next video.